What does good leadership mean to you, James?
So I've been very fortunate over the course of my career to have worked with some incredible leaders and have some mentors that I still speak to today from the very, very first job I got, PwC, out of university. And all of those leaders have instilled sort of one key principle, which I tried to carry forward, which is around openness and around communication. You can be great at your domain. You could be an expert in your field. You can work 36 hours a day, but with people around you, communication is key. And certainly in my role now as Chief Strategy Officer here at Qlik, then communication is one of the key things that empowers people, lets people know what they're part of, what is being expected of them. And if you get that communication piece right, then you're pretty much halfway there.